back to Akshita's recipes. I hope all of you are having a nice day. So today's recipe is a breakfast recipe which I'm making with oats, and there's no sugar or sugar substitute that we're going to add to this recipe. We're going to add some other ingredients which substitute for the sweetness, but they're all natural and they're really delicious. So we're going to call this cardamom oats or Elaichi oats because I'm going to be using cardamom, and watch the video till the end because I'm going to show you how to make your own Elaichi powder or cardamom powder at home, which is super simple, no gadgets and no machines required. So I hope you enjoy this recipe and I hope you give it a try. Let's just jump straight ahead into today's lovely cardamom oats. So friends, let's start with this beautiful recipe of Elaichi oats. Now here I've taken a pan, turned on the heat, and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of clarified butter or ghee. Now once the ghee melts, I'm going to add half a cup of oats. So this is my quarter cup measure, so I'm using it twice, so you get half a cup of oats. Now I'm using the Quaker oats. You can use whatever oats you use generally. And now I'm just going to fry this oats really well in this clarified butter or ghee for at least half a minute till all of the oats nicely gets coated with the ghee. So we're going to do this on a low to medium flame. And once our oats is nicely roasted, we're going to add 1 cup of milk. And we're going to mix the two ingredients really well together. Again, cooking on a low flame for just half a minute so that the oats gets nicely cooked in the milk. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. And for those of you who want to know how I make my homemade cardamom powder, you can watch the video till the end. And now just mix everything well. Like I said, just for half a minute, we're going to cook the oats in the milk and with the Elaichi powder added to it. Turn off the flame. And now I'm just going to transfer it into bowls. So I'm making two sets of bowls of this breakfast Elaichi oats. And I'm just going to add a little bit more of milk. That's completely optional. So if you like it to be a little on the drier side, you can skip the milk. So I'm just adding about 2 tablespoons of milk to each of the bowls, mixing it really well. And like I said, for the sweetness factor, we're just going to add some lovely dry fruits. So here I have 1 tablespoon of dried apricots that I've just chopped into small pieces. 1 tablespoon of cranberries. So you can add whatever dry fruits you have at home or whatever you like in your oats. Next, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of blueberries. And for that lovely crunch, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of almonds. So you can add walnuts, you can add cashew nuts, you can add even fresh strawberries, raspberries, apples, whatever you like with your oats, because that will be the sweetness factor. So you don't need to add any sugar, jaggery or any kind of sweetening agent. And that's it, guys. Your lovely cardamom flavored oats is all ready. You can have it piping hot, or you can have it at room temperature, or even refrigerated for about a minute, 2 minutes or 3 minutes and have it. Now for the Elaichi powder, which is super simple. Now I'm making about 2 tablespoons of Elaichi powder, but we are using just 1 teaspoon for this recipe. So here I've taken about 12 to 13 cardamom pods. These are the green cardamom pods. Now I'm going to add them to my mortar and pestle, and I'm just going to lightly, crush the pods so that they open. So you just give them a light crush like this. And then you will see that they open up instantly. And then all you have to do is just take out the lovely Elaichi or cardamom from the pods. Now I like to retain the covering or the pod, and I use it when I'm making my tea. I just add it to the tea when I'm boiling my tea, and that adds a lovely Elaichi kind of a flavor to the tea. Even if you're making rice, if you're boiling rice, you can add this for some pulao rice or biryani rice. You can add the pods also. They add a lot of flavor. So once you have finished, getting the Elaichi out of the pods, then all you have to do is just crush it to a very fine powder. So I like to make a batch of about 2 or 3 tablespoons and keep it in my in a small little glass bottle and put it in my refrigerator or even at room temperature. And whenever I need to use it for any recipe, it's available. It's better that you keep it in the refrigerator because that will it will enhance the life of the powder. So you can either keep it as a very coarse powder or you can make it a real fine powder. The choice is yours. And the aroma of this lovely freshly ground cardamom is so heavenly. It's really nice. So this was how I make my cardamom powder, because I get a lot of questions from beginners as to, Akshata, can you show us how you make the cardamom powder or ground, I mean, when you're grinding pepper powder at home, how do you make it? So this is just a tip, and that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed today's recipe and give it a try, and I'll catch you soon in my next video. Bye. Enjoyed watching today's recipe, and I do hope you give it a try. This is a very nice way of starting your day, with having a nice easy breakfast meal instead of going into making some elaborate dishes. If you don't have time and you want to have a healthy day, start to your day, this is an ideal recipe. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, then don't forget to give this video a big like by clicking the thumbs up icon that you see below the video. Don't forget to subscribe by hitting the red subscribe button that you see below the video. And once you subscribe, click on the notification all button. That way whenever I put up a recipe, you'll get a message for the same. I have more than 800 recipes on my channel, and you can go and check it out. If you go to my home page, that is typing Akshata's recipes on YouTube, you'll get my home page. There you get a playlist, and I've segregated all my recipes into different categories like healthy recipes, breakfast items, kids recipes. There are many playlists, so you can go and search for what you're looking for. Also, if you're looking for a particular recipe, say you're looking for breakfast oats, so just type oats recipes, Akshata's recipes, and you'll get all my oats recipes in that search column. So thank you for joining me today. Take care of yourselves. Have a great day, and I'll catch you soon in my next video, sooner than you think. This is me, Akshata, signing off. Bye.